Well, hey everyone, welcome back. Hey, it's been a little bit since I've put out a video. Sorry about that, but man, things just get hectic and videoing these things takes some time. It'll double your time. So lately it's just been, I'm doing something or got something, I just got to get it done. I'm going to try to do more of these though, moving forward. But like, for instance, I've had this item for 2 or 3 days now. And the only reason I haven't put it together is because I wanted to video it, so that it might be something you could look at and see if it's something you wanted. So one of the things I've been needing out here in the garage is a chair. Now I have this one, but it's hard. It's not adjustable, can't go up and down. It's one height, that's it. So I went on the hunt for a stool that I could use in the garage, not a toilet stool. I needed something here in the garage that I could sit on a little bit more comfortably. My knees are bad, so I can't stand up the whole time. Even though I have these floor cushions, they definitely help. But I just need something that I can sit down on that's a little bit comfortable. So I found this one on Amazon. There is a link in the description below if you decide you're interested in this. I'm gonna get it put together and we're gonna try it out. This is the Kaleurrier. I have to look. I can't remember the name of it. I'll put a picture up of it here. Kaleurrier swivel stool chair, adjustable height, heavy duty, hydraulic, rolling metal stool for kitchen, salon, bar, office, massage. Doesn't mention garage, but I'm going to use it in the garage anyway. I think it'll be fine. It's heavy duty. So I'm going to get this out and we're going to get it put together and we're going to try it out and see how it works. I'm a pretty big guy. We'll see how it holds up. And I'll give you my initial thoughts on it here in just a second. So here's the back. I did get one with the back. I'm sure you can leave this off if you don't prefer a back. I wanted a back on there, so I got the back. I also made sure I got one that didn't have, I didn't think I would want the ring around it for your foot to go on. I know some people like that, but I have long legs and I can't hardly sit like that anyway, especially with my knees the way they are. It's not good. And so I wanted to make sure and get one where that wasn't in my way of getting my feet on the floor. Seat tufted or button tucked. It's not button tucked because there's no button, but I guess they call that I don't know what they call it. I'm not going to pretend I know. So I will tell you, I like the wheels on here. I don't know if you can see these. I'm going to come closer to the camera and show you these wheels. These wheels are like the rubber. They're like you think of the inline skates. It's like those wheels. So far for these wheels out here in the garage, I think this is going to be great. They're really good. They feel like they're really good wheels. I hope they hold up well. We shall see. So this is metal. This whole base is metal. It's not plastic, which hopefully is a good thing. I think it will be. It feels really nice and sturdy and heavy. Oh, look what we found here. A manual for putting it together. Already comes with the base on it. The only thing it doesn't have is the back on it. So you need to decide up front, do I want the back or do I not want the back? Because this stool comes just like this. You have to find the holes. There's little punch marks where the holes are. And that's to bolt your back on. So pretty easy to just leave the back off if you don't want it. As I said, I want the back. I'm going to put it on. Now I do have these floor cushions on the floor to help with my feet. So obviously I'm not going to be able to roll this everywhere, but I'll show you what I had in mind. And even though things will roll up on these mats, they're pretty soft. These mats are like 7/8 of an inch thick. So actually, no, that's not what it was. It was described as 9/10 of an inch. So overall, very simple to assemble. And if you didn't want the back, this would literally take a minute. It takes longer to take the bubble wrap off than it does to do everything else, because all you do is stick that in there. Nope. Pull the protective cap off of there and put it down on there. Raise it up. And I'm not strong enough to lower it. It's pretty powerful. I'm going to set this down on the floor and we'll kind of see how comfortable it is and how the adjustment is, and we'll go from there. All right, so here it is. This is kind of the area I want to use it in. Notice I don't have mats down here, but I kind of use this space. I got a computer here. I'm going to have some other stuff here that I'll talk about in just a second, but let's just see how this works. This is really high, which I'm a tall guy. I like that. Rolls really smooth. I like that. I can feel the wheels when I change directions from the wheels turning. I can feel them because they're rubber, I guess. When it's turning on that concrete, but it's not annoying, and you know it's going to do it. And I think that'll probably work out over time. And if you change directions like this, you don't even feel it. That's pretty fun. So I'm pretty high. My legs are almost straight. It is comfortable. It's got the low on the back, which is good because you don't want a recliner in here, although that might be nice. I'm going to go down with it a little bit. We'll just see. Yeah, that's good. Hey, Sonny. Hi, Sonny. Hi there. Yep, got a new chair. Go down a little bit, down, down. That's as low as it'll go. Even that's a comfortable height. So just for reference, I'm about 6'4"-ish, a little under, and I weigh about 100 pounds. And this is working really well. My first impressions, no regrets. I do like it. It feels heavy duty. It looks pretty good, I think. I mean, I'll let you be the judge of how it looks. I think it looks pretty good. It's a fairly thick cushion. So yeah, we'll go with it for a while. I think it'll be great. Like I said, it is. They say it's heavy duty, and so far I believe them. So we will see. So one of the main reasons I got it, over here I have a little space on my miter saw table that is clear. I'm going to have my hat press here. I haven't even opened it yet. But I have my laptop here, and I can get on my laptop and I can send things to the laser. Well, then at that point, my laser's over here. I need to come over and hit this button. Well, see, now I can just roll back and forth. It's pretty cool. I'm lazy like that. I can also roll over here to my workstation here. I can do all that stuff. I'm going to like this. This is going to be good. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you are interested, I appreciate you clicking on that affiliate link below. Take a look at it. See if I can't remember what it costs. I'll pop that up here. I would appreciate you subscribing if you haven't already. It doesn't cost you anything. I always say it doesn't cost a dime. You can cancel anytime. If you don't mind subscribing, give me a thumbs up if you got any value out of this at all. If it helped you on your decision, if you were looking for something like this, I think it's pretty handy. Doesn't have to be for the garage. You can have it on your patio. You can have it in your kitchen. You can have it in your bedroom. I don't know why you want it in your bedroom, but you never know. You can have it in your basement, wherever you want it. It is a pretty comfortable stool. I'm actually going to take it to a conference with me because I don't want to stand for 8 hours on a concrete floor. That really gets to you. So I'm going to have this with me, and I'll be able to sit down, and I can be high enough that it doesn't look like I'm just sitting and relaxing at the conference, and I can stand up when I need to. So anyway, I appreciate your time, and I pray that God blesses you, and I really hope you have a wonderful day.